Fix Google Authenticator key value has illegal character, this problem. So for that you need to go your Gmail account first, then go to manage your Google account, select your desired email first, and then go to your manage your Google account, and you have to go your security option, and under security you have to press on two-step verification process, this one, and log in with your Gmail password, and once done go back, and then you can see the authenticator, this option, press on authenticator, then set up authenticator, press on this option, and press on can't scan it, and number 2 option, you have to copy this code, copy, and go back to your authenticator apps, then again press on plus icon, enter key, then set up account name, and once you enter this code, it's now working. So that's it. Please thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.